Welcome to our show, Future Trends. Today, revolution in physics, the record-breaking mini plasma accelerator. Welcome, dear viewers, to an exciting episode in the world of science. Today, we dive into a groundbreaking discovery that could revolutionize not just physics but our future as well. We're talking about an incredible breakthrough in particle physics. The mini plasma accelerator that has set a new energy record. Imagine this. A particle accelerator, just 10 centimeters long, that can accelerate electrons to a staggering 10 giga-electronvolts. It sounds almost like science fiction, but it's real, recently developed by a team at the University of Texas in Austin. Typically, particle accelerators are massive structures, stretching over kilometers. Yet this team has made the impossible possible, creating a device that fits in the palm of your hand. The key to this breakthrough? A mix of helium gas and aluminum nanoparticles in a 10-centimeter-long acceleration chamber. Using a petawatt laser, a wake field is created in the plasma, which drags and accelerates electrons. With the addition of aluminum nanoparticles, the charge density was increased, enhancing the acceleration. In tests, the accelerator achieved energies of over 10 giga-electronvolts with the nanoparticles, marking a true milestone in physics. This breakthrough is not just a record-setting achievement but a promising step towards more compact and efficient scientific instruments. While the exact functioning of the nanoparticles is still being explored, the team dreams of miniaturizing the high-power laser to make the device even more compact. Now I'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you think this technology could impact the future? What applications in science or everyday life could you imagine? Share your ideas and answers in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of science. Until next time, stay curious and passionate about science.